So we are in Katy, Texas, here in Cane Island. We're actually looking at a custom William David Homes. This one has just opened up last Saturday. So I really want to bring you the best of the best. This is a fantastic model. I can't wait to show you inside. But as you can tell from the exterior, we're going to have that white, beautiful painted brick. Absolutely gorgeous all the way around the property itself. Going in the covered front porch, you're going to have this beautiful glass front door, and I can't wait to show you this one. So this one is a pivot door, and then of course, as soon as you walk in, this is going to be the foyer right here. So you have this beautiful chandelier right here coming down. Right to the left, you are going to have your study, and then even going into your great room, you have this beautiful brass chandelier. You have the cathedral-like ceilings with the exposed beam on top. Absolutely beautiful. The one thing I'm really noticing in here is the open concept. A lot of folks that I've been working with recently are in a situation where they really desire that open concept. Sometimes you may see other floor plans that are not as open, and especially if you love to have guests over all the time, that may be not the best thing that you would want, right? So even just looking inside of the kitchen, you're going to have the tray ceilings. You have the brass lighting fixtures coming over the island. You have the beautiful waterfall countertops. You have stack cabinets on top as well. You have your wooden range hood, almost like a mosaic like backsplash as well. And just look at all this custom cabinetry. So keep in mind, folks, so this is one of the things where it's a custom home. So a lot of the folks that, want to get in a house, they want to see a house, but they want to customize it to their individual needs. This is the perfect builder for you. Like I said, the lots are very limited, but if it's something where you really want something of this stature, will definitely get you taken care of. So this is your walk-in pantry. If you notice, you even have this beautiful pocket door to enclose this area. You have this nice mud room right here. Not to mention you have your utility room over here. So just looking at how much space you have for an oversized washer and dryer. You have this beautiful backsplash again, not to mention all these cabinets on top. Beautiful cabinetry. I absolutely love the color. And you do have your coat closet right there. So this is the model house. Like I said, they opened up just recently, but I want to make sure that you see what's available right here in Cane Island. So taking a look, this will be your first bedroom. This is perfect for a guest bedroom. So you have the high ceilings inside of here. You have carpet, and just look how much space you have inside of here. I just love the fact that you have the high ceilings. It just adds that nice element that we so much love as far as it not being too cluttered. And you can comfortably fit a queen size bed in here with 2 nightstands. So even taking a look at this, look how gorgeous this is. We have the quartz countertops, the sleek mirror with the mirror frame. You have a full size walk-in closet right here. You have another storage closet right here, perfect for towels and linens. And then just look at this beautiful shower. So this is a 0 threshold shower right here. A lot of folks wonder, will it splash? Will it make a mess? Absolutely not. It will not. Look, you have this beautiful tile shower surround. Look how large this shower niche is. That's the first time I've seen the shower niche so large with the built-in shower bench as well. So absolutely stunning so far. And then I'll make sure to open the door so that way you can see how we're looking. So let me get on the lights for you. Just right here, you have epoxy flooring inside of your garage. This is a 2-car garage, and it extends over here. Look how much space you have. Absolutely fantastic. So you can easily fit your Tesla right here. Go ahead and put your nice Suburban over here, your Escalade, and then the third daily driver. So we do have this engineered wood inside of here. Absolutely love that. And then what we'll do is I'll show you the breakfast nook. You could utilize this as a formal dining room. Look how large it is. You have all these windows bringing in plenty of natural light. Absolutely fantastic. So continuing along right here, you have your powder bath. I love the brass trim on the mirror itself. Flooring extends in here again. And then look at this beautiful area right here. Wow, absolutely fantastic. So you could use this as maybe a formal living room or even a game room because you have a media area right over there. But you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. Like I mentioned, this is an entertainer's dream without a doubt. So you have carpet inside of here. You have the LED ceiling fan, and just look at the amount of room. Look how cozy this looks. Plenty of space. So some folks absolutely love partners in building, but if it's something where you want something new, something fresh, this custom home builder is perfect. And then not to mention you have your pocket door again here. Absolutely love the pocket door just because of the sleekness. You don't have to worry about the cluttered, the door just sitting there, what have you. Just a pocket door, slides in and out, easy. So you have your electric fireplace over there. Not to mention you have your wet bar area over here. And then we'll continue along right here so that way you can see every inch of the house. So before we go into the ensuite, I want you to see this primary bedroom. Wow. So you have your exposed beams on top. Just look at the elegance and the modernness of this place. I mean, absolutely fantastic. So this is situated on a 90-foot lot. And just look at the amount of space you have inside of this room. I love the fact that you have the cathedral-like ceilings on top again, all the way, just giving you that nice feel of just modernness and elegance. So this is your ensuite right here. You have your exposed beams on top. Look at the shower itself. You cannot get much better than that. Not to mention your large soaking tub. You have your own area right here. Can you imagine just lighting some candles right here and just relaxing? So I'll do a pan. Look how beautiful this is. So what I'm noticing inside of here, this is almost like a mix between Toll Brothers and Partners in Building. So I think they just took all the elements that are absolutely fantastic about a house and added that to this one. Look how large this primary closet is. It wraps around right here. You have that window on top for some more natural light. Absolutely stunning. You really can't get much better than this. You have your built-in shelving over here. And then I'll make sure to show you inside the shower. Look how large this shower is. You have dual shower heads, the large shower niche with the large shower bench, zero threshold again. Goodness, you just cannot get much better than this. And so even if you close this door right here, just look at that. Look at the sleekness of this. Look how fantastic this is. You can't get much better than this. And then even right here, of course, you have your toilet right there, not to mention another cabinet space. So just the modernness inside of here. Like I said, the good thing is they just built this model. It was under construction for a few months and it's readily available. And when I say that, the modernness of the furniture, it's up to date. Sometimes we may see some of the model houses that have furniture from a year, 2 years old. As you can tell inside of here, this is 2024 without a doubt. So inside of here, you have your common area with your tray ceilings. You have plenty of space inside of here. I love these large windows overlooking the sidewalk right here, but just look how much space you have inside of here. You could easily put maybe a projector or a 75-inch TV, put an L-shaped couch in here, and you have plenty of space. So continuing along, here's another bedroom. Look how much room you have inside of here. Wow. Look at the amount of space. A lot of times we go upstairs and see the second story bedrooms and they're just tight. Putting a queen size bed and 2 night tables is almost a challenge, but inside of here, no issue whatsoever. You have a full size bathroom that's attached to it, shower tub combo. You have a closet right here, beautiful mirror with the lighting fixture on top as well. And I just love this shower surround. It's very interesting. A lot of times we see the same pattern all along, but if you notice, you got the tile right here, a different type of tile as well. You got a shower niche, which I always love the shower niche being in the shower tub combos, just from a practical standpoint, putting in your shampoos and body washes and things like that. And then of course, you have a walk-in closet right here. So far I'm giving this easily a 10. So continuing along, we got another bedroom right here, but just look at the amount of space inside of here. Sometimes in some of these plans, I'm seeing the primary being the same size as these other bedrooms. So that's a great thing. Very few times we'll be able to see you could fit a queen size bed with a chair, with a desk, with 2 nightstands. I just love it. So you have a large walk-in closet again inside of here, and then a full-size bathroom again. So you got the quartz countertops, tile extends in here, shower tub combo, and then of course another little closet area. So I'm absolutely loving it. Like I said, I mean, you got carpet upstairs, but if it's something where you don't want the carpet upstairs, no harm, no foul. It's a custom builder. They're here to meet your needs. And this is the final bedroom. So I absolutely love the first level. Second level has the other 3 bedrooms. And it's just fantastic. I mean, I'll do one more pan. You just can't get much better than this. So, you know, you have the study, you have the media area, you have the game room. Just absolutely fantastic. And of course, right here, you're going to have a nice little attic area. Quick access without having to stuff the Christmas decorations and going up the flimsy stairs. This is perfect. And then I'll just make sure to show you the backyard. All right, and this is our covered backyard patio. So you have the extended covered backyard patio. You have plenty of space right here. Like I said, this is on a 90-foot lot. So keep that in mind. Look how much space you have out here. So a lot of times you may want a new construction property and eventually you want to build a pool. Well, this is perfect because a lot of times you may see some of the lots like a 55-foot lot or 60-foot lot. As soon as you put the pool, you really don't have much else to do. You couldn't put a trampoline out there. You couldn't put a playground. But out here on this 90-foot lot, and you're in Katy, Texas, which is absolutely fantastic. And that, folks, is a lovely model tour. And of course, here is your oversized study right here. You have plenty of space. I love the accent wall right here. Not to mention, you have this nice window nook. I absolutely love that. And look at just the high ceiling, just the amount of space that you have inside of here. Absolutely fantastic. You have your beautiful French doors. And this is as soon as you walk in the property. All right, Rankin family. So that was the lovely William David Homes. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Me personally, I probably give it a 10. Not much I would change about it, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.